To Rain Healthcare. Today we will discuss about spectacle lens material. In our optometry dispensing class, spectacle lens material is a very important topic. So first introduction. A spectacle lens material must satisfy a number of conflicting requirements. First, hardness. A hard surface is required to withstand the rough handling of daily use. Second, soft material requires a hard coating to improve this property, but a hard coating may damage coating cracking. Resistance to chemical attack. Domestic solvents, atmospheric chemical attack, skin reaction, etc. No adverse reaction. It should be biocompatible, easy to tinting. Earlier, dye was injected in molten glass material. At present, vast majority of lenses are manufactured in white form and subsequently tinted by surface coating. Types of lenses. There are two types of lenses mainly. One is glass, that is minerals, and another is plastic, that is organic. Physical characteristic of lens, that is refractive index. So refractive index equal to velocity of light in air by velocity of light in a refracting medium. So curvature, that is inversely proportional to refractive index. If the curvature is increased, the refractive index decrease. If the curvature is decreased, refractive index increase. So refractive index अगर increase होता है तो curvature decrease and sag height also decreased and thickness also decreased. So if refractive index increase, in that case curvature decrease, sag height decrease, thickness also decrease. Higher the refractive index of the material, that is thinner lens. So if the lens is thin, that is the refractive index is high. So Abbe value, that is also known as V value. It is the reciprocal of dispersive power of material and indicates the degree of transverse chromatic aberration which the wearer will experience. So Vd equal to Nd minus 1 by Nf minus Nc, where Nd equal to velocity of helium light in vacuum. Now come to Nc, that is refractive index of the material for the wavelength hydrogen, and Nf, that is refractive index of the material of the wavelength hydrogen F. Now above value अगर decrease होता है, above value increase, so dispersion decrease and chromatic aberration also decrease. Low dispersion, that is above value greater than 45. Medium dispersion, that is V, that is 39 to 45, and another high dispersion, that is V less than 39. Now come to density. So describe the heaviness of the material. The value given is mass per unit. Density of the lens should be less than the density of the crown glass. Reflectance. Refractive index is most in calculating the reflectance of the lens surface. Increase in reflectance, that is vacuum disposited, and also decrease in reflectance, that is air coating, anti-reflecting coating. So example, light is transmitted in a lens of refractive index 1.5, loss of 4% of light at first surface of the lens. 96% reaches the back surface of the lens, further 4% is lost by reflection. Total transmission is 92.16%. So glass, an amorphous inorganic material which is rigid and brittle, low temperature and softer higher temperature. Colored or colorless, transparent or opaque if impurities are present. Now come to the properties. There are four properties of glasses: optical, thermal, mechanical and chemical. So glass lens material types: crown glass, barium crown, flint, heavy flint, borosilicate, barium flint. Now come to crown glass: 70% silica, 12% carbon and sodium oxide, also small percentage of potassium, borax, antimony. Pure silica is used in form of sand. So in case of crown glass, the refractive index is 1.523, specific gravity 2.54, Abbe value 58.9. So in case of Abbe value, what we see Abbe value. So Abbe value अगर 40 से ज़्यादा होता है, so greater than 45, that is low dispersion. So low dispersion means Abbe value high, and also chromatic aberration also less. And in that case transparency 91.6%. So what are the advantage of crown glass? Advantage: that is highly scratch resistance, resistance to solvent and temperature fluctuation, tint by vacuum coating, good optical qualities, high ranges of curves, blanks and addition available, and available in photochromatic sunglasses options. Now come to disadvantage of crown glass: low impact resistance, 12 heavier materials, chips can easily form while aging and handling, not appropriate for children and sports wear, UV absorption is not 100%. Now come to types of plastic lenses. What are the types of plastic lenses? That is CR39, and also polyurethane, polycarbonate, crown glass, Trivex, high index material. Now come to CR39. So Columbia resin Bachnum 39. Petroleum derivated from polyester group, chemically diglycol, okay, dilyglycol carbonate, refractive index 1.48498 and specific gravity 1.32, Abbe value 58, transparency 92.2%. So in thermostat, crosslink are created during polymerization, resulting in complex, interconnected and permanent network. So what are the advantages? UV protection, impact resistance and to solvent and chemicals, resistance to heat and temperature fluctuation, available in transition photochromatic. Can yellow with age, softer material surface, scratch more easily, lower refractive index. Now come to polycarbonate lens. In case of polycarbonate lens, Abbe value, that is less than 30. So that is a high dispersion, and also refractive index 1.586, specific gravity 1.2, UV cutoff 385 nanometer. How plastic perform is directly related to the molecular structure. So what are the advantage and disadvantage of polycarbonate lens? 26% lighter than CR39 polycarbonate lens advantage. Excellent impact resistance, center thickness can be ground to 1.2 millimeter. Hard coated for scratch resistance and also thinner material. Now come to disadvantage: very soft material, low scratch resistance, distortion in vision away from optical center, not as easy to tint, difficult to match colors. And now come to the Trivex lens, refractive index 1.532, Abbe value 43 to 45 depending on the licensing manufacturer, and density 1.1 gram per semi-cube, UV cutoff 380 nanometer. Now features and benefits, that is features: high impact, high Abbe value, specific gravity 1.11, excellent surfacing, high gross gloss finishing, aberration resistance, easy tinting, chemically resistance. And benefits: no problems, superior optical performance, light lenses, thin center remain on power, polished edges, back surface hard coat optional, material inherently tintable, solvents can be used on lenses. So originally developed as visual armor for the military, great optics, impact resistant, solvent resistance, thin and lightweight, ideal for rimless film. So thanks for watching. If you if this video is helpful for you, like this video and share with your friends. So mainly this video is for optometry student uh, in dispensing part. Okay, thank you.